Hello everyone, work on the new Niva travel is underway and here's what I've got so far. I'm making it out of hard NSP clay. So far, almost the entire body is ready, except for the hood and the roof, and I haven't finished making the front part yet. Making all these shapes isn't easy, it takes time, but the result is worth it. It turns out very similar. The bottom of the car is already done. I've highlighted all the main elements here. I'm making this car for destruction, so I'm making the body parts thin so that they can deform when destroyed and look as realistic as possible, as much as clay allows. Yes, it's a bit sad, of course, that such beauty will be destroyed, but that's my art. At least we'll see how spectacularly the car will break apart. Inside the car, you can see the frame to which the body parts are attached. I made it out of sculpting clay. It's softer than NSP. Later, it can be removed so that the car breaks apart even more realistically, since it has a significant impact on the strength of the structure. The foil is attached to the back side of the body parts to hold the desired shape given to the clay. For example, the trunk has a rounded shape, and without the foil it would be flimsy and the thin frames would bend very easily. The whole shape holds together. The same principle applies to other body parts. I also plan to make a trunk that opens. When I started making this car, I thought I would just make it and that would be it. But during the process, after creating the side parts, the shape turned out interesting, and I even liked how it was coming out. So I decided to take a meticulous approach to making this Niva. For example, when creating the rear bumper, which has a rather complex shape, I made it in small parts. First, a small piece on the side, then another one on top. After that, the whole bumper as a single piece. With these steps, you can make it almost exactly like the original. I even decided to define the cargo area with the side pieces. I'm making the car only from photos and blueprints, without a 3D model since there just isn't one. And even without it, I'm managing just fine. I like how it looks so far. And when I test fit these wheels with the lip from a wrecked AE86, now that's style, it looks really cool. Maybe I'll put on these wheels when it's completely finished, and there's still about half the work left. I need to do the interior, the engine, install the roof, the hood, paint it, and make the wheels. So that's the result of the work so far. I hope you liked what I've managed to do. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in my clay creations. Well, I'm going to keep working on making this Niva. See you all later.